Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can crossplay the Dying Light 1 crossplay PS5 and PC. Right now it's not possible. You need an Epic account to connect your Steam account to friend with Epic. There is no PC console crossplay and I was looking for everywhere. I just wanted to make this quick and effective video for you. If you're looking for the answer, if it's possible to do it, and it's not right now. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day and goodbye.